Alright, so guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to cut a v-neck. So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So now the shirt length is we are making the shirt back 14, right? So we have divided the shirt the front and the back into two, right? So let's measure it once we have divided it. So it's like 9 inches, right? Let's say like 18 inches. 9 plus 9 is equal to what? 18 inches, right? So the whole wideness of the shirt is going to be what? The shirt front is 18 inches, the same as the back. You know, understand? So we are going to show you how to cut the v-neck. So now we are going to join it to make it the same, right? On the table like this. So now we are going to measure 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. We are going to measure 2.5 inches like this. You know, understand? Then we will measure another 2.5 inches right here. We're going to measure another 2.5 inch right here. You know, understand? Then we are going to add 3.5 and quarter. 3.5. I wanted to add, guys, I'm gonna add 3.5 inches to it, right? Because I'm making a shirt back 14, so I'm gonna add 3.5 inches to it to make it. Now it has make 6 inches long, right? For the v-neck. So now I'm going to mark another half inch right here at the side way here. You understand? I'm gonna line it. I'm gonna draw it to make it a line like this, a half inch, and I'm gonna draw a straight line from the 2.5 on this side to this down pad, a slantly, right? To make it come to this this down pad like this. You understand? You understand? So on this side too, we are going to draw it so that we can cut the shoulders. You understand? On this side, we are going to draw it like this, so we will cut the shoulders on that part. And this side, as for the back, we are going to draw it. You see this line? We are going to make it go to the back like this, so that we can draw it like this. So we are going to measure 1.5 inches. We are going to measure 1.5 inch on the back like this. You understand? 1.5 inch. So we're gonna draw it too. You understand? We're gonna draw it as a round neck. You understand? We're gonna draw it as a round neck. You understand? Just like this. So when you are cutting it, you will know how you will cut it. You understand? Hope you have seen what I did right there, right? So now we are cutting it wherever we have marked the line, right? We are cutting it wherever we have marked the line. We're cutting it wherever we have marked the line. Now we are going to cut the round neck for the back. You understand? So guys, now I've cutted this one too, so I'm going to cut the shoulders. I'm going to cut the shoulders. I'm cutting the shoulders together, right? So now guys, I have done cutting the shoulders right here, right? So now I'm going to open it. I'm going to open the front. You understand? This is the front, right? And this is the back. This is the back. You understand? So let me arrange it well for you to see it well. You understand? This is the back, and this is the front. This is the back, and this is the front. You understand? So guys, can you see exactly how it's looking right now? So now we are going to join the shoulders. You understand? We are going to join the shoulders. So to join the shoulders, we are going to first stitch this part on the quarter inch. We're going to join move the two together, right? Because the fabric looks the same. This is the wrong part. Let me mark it. This is the wrong part, and this is the right part, right? So this will be the wrong part of the fabric. You understand? Understand? So this is the right part, the one that's going to come outside. This one is going to go inside. We are going to stitch it. Just watch the way I'm stitching it. You're able to understand what I'm talking about? You understand? It's not long talk. Just watch it and you see exactly how to do it. I'm stitching it on the shoulders, right? So guys, now I have done stitching the first one, right? So guys, now I'm done stitching the first one. So now I'm going to cut the excess thread. I'm going to cut the excess thread and I'm gonna arrange it. And so we are going to stitch this one, the other part. You know, understand, this part. So to stitch it, we are going to turn it like this. You know, understand? We are going to turn it like this. You know, understand? And to stitch it just like we did this one, right? To stitch it just like we did this one, right? So don't worry, I'm stitching how to do it. It's not hard. I'm arranging the sewing machine table, thread well. So now we are going to stitch it just like I showed you. The first one. So guys, now I am done stitching it, right? I'm done sewing it. Guys, now I'm done sewing it. So now I'm cutting the excess thread. I'm gonna turn it like this. So guys, this is looking right now. So I'm gonna turn it like this. You understand? I'm gonna turn it shade like this. You understand? I'm gonna turn the shade like this. So now guys, we're going to put it on the iron table. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna iron this place, this left, this is the right and this is the left. You're going to iron it and iron this front to make it smooth. You understand? To make the fabric look smooth and come and show you how to sew the v-neck. And now when we iron it, then we have done the cutting of the v-neck, right? So I'm going to iron it and come and show you. All right, so guys, after ironing it, this is actually how it's looking. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. That is the sewing of the v-neck, right?